Hi everyone, in this video I am going to pronounce all the consonant sound, vowel sound, and diphthongs from the IPA alphabet. Begin one example for each. Let's begin. Vowel manifests. E, for example, vacant. E, for example, beard. U, for example, cushion. U, for example, flute. E, for example, enemy. E, for example, banana. E, for example, urgent. O, for example, gorgent. A, for example, traffic. A, for example, accent. A, for example, drama. O, for example, coffee. V, as in village. K, for example, cactus. As in gather. F, is, for example, a festival. V, as in village. For example, thunder. As in together. For example, single. Z, as in zebra. Sh, for example, shallow. J, as in visual. For example, mirror. As in Naples. For example, longer. Heavy, as in heavy. Diphthong. Ia in weird. A, as in havigant. Ua, as in secure. Oi, as in rejoice. Ea, as in declare. Ua, as in remote. I, as in highlight. Au, as in athlete. Consonant. For example, panic. B, as in bubble. T, for example, tiny. V, as in disagree. Sh, for example, charity. Ya, as in jungle. K, for example, cactus. For example, loyal. Rua, accent random. Wow, for example, wonder. E, accent yellow. And that's all. These are the sounds of the IPA with one unique example each. Thank you for watching.